Good morning, my dear students. Today we discuss about the metabolism of aromatic amino acids. Before this discussion, we again stay at your home and you are not alone. আমরা সবাই সঙ্গে রয়েছি তোমাদের সাথে। তার সঙ্গে আজকের ডেটা শুভ নববর্ষ বাংলা বছরের প্রথম দিন। তো প্রত্যেক স্টুডেন্টকে আমি জানাই আমার বাংলা নববর্ষে 1427-এর শুভেচ্ছা, প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা এবং আমার স্নেহ প্রত্যেক স্টুডেন্টকে জানাই আমার স্নেহ ও ভালোবাসা। তো শুভ নববর্ষ। So now we start the metabolism of aromatic amino acid. The different amino acid present in the body, generally 20 amino acid, and they are classified in the different groups. Apart from this aromatic amino acid, basically 3 amino acid. One is the tyrosine, phenylalanine and tryptophan, which is essential of our body. But phenylalanine and tryptophan is the essential, but tyrosine is the non-essential amino acid, because as per your definition tyrosine is not it's synthesized from phenylalanine. That's why phenylalanine is the essential, but tyrosine is the non-essential amino acid. But tyrosine is the essential amino acid. It formation of so many compounds, which is formation of T3, T4, melanin and others, hormone epinephrine, norepinephrine also. So this is very important, this type of amino acid, aromatic amino acid. Today we are metabolism of basically phenylalanine and tyrosine. So aromatic amino acid, phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan are the aromatic amino acid. The metabolism of 3 amino acid deserve the special mention. Number of biological importance compounds are produced from them, previously discussed, and deficiency of these enzymes in the metabolic pathway for this amino acid result in the inborn error of clinical importance. Phenylalanine and tyrosine are the nutritionally essential amino acid, but tyrosine is not, as it and can be synthesized in the phenylalanine. So are both glucogenic as well as the ketogenic. That means they have produced glucose as well as the ketone body. That's why it is called the glucogenic and ketogenic amino acids. All three are. This is phenylalanine, which is essential for our amino acid. This is contain the aromatic ring, and which is essential amino acid. Both glucogenic, it produces glucose as well as the ketone body. Phenylalanine is converted to tyrosine, referred by the sparing action of the tyrosine on the phenylalanine. The conversion of phenylalanine to tyrosine. This is the pathway by which phenylalanine to produce the tyrosine. Phenylalanine to sometimes protein, and tyrosine directly converted to tyrosine, and tyrosine produce thyroid hormone like T3 triiodothyronine, T4 like tetraiodothyronine, norepinephrine, epinephrine for adrenal medulla, dopamine, which is also essential neurotransmitter in the CNS, melanin, which is the pigment, and the skin, hair and nail, which all these biological important compound which is synthesized from the tyrosine, but tyrosine is synthesized from the melanin. So all the student, my request to maintain these 2 amino acid level, basically the phenylalanine which is coming from the diet. So protein diet is very important. Protein containing phenylalanine diet is very important for your diet. The conversion of phenylalanine to tyrosine. First, phenylalanine in the presence of tetrahydrobiopterin to dihydrobiopterin, one oxygen is converted phenylalanine hydroxylase. This tetrahydrobiopterin to dihydrobiopterin, which is converted to NADPH by the dihydrobiopterin reductase, and conversion of tyrosine. The single step of reaction, and it is a irreversible reaction, but there are so many factors, tetrahydrobiopterin, NADPH and phenylalanine hydroxylase, which is regulated. The one step of reaction, but this is very important reaction, otherwise tyrosine will not be produced. Next, degradation of phenylalanine to tyrosine. the degradation of phenylalanine to tyrosine. Phenylalanine is converted to tyrosine. Within the tyrosine, which is converted into para-hydroxyphenyl pyruvate by the enzyme tyrosine transaminase. This para-hydroxyphenylalanine pyruvate or ascorbate let us start the phenylalanine to tyrosine. First, phenylalanine. The phenylalanine hydroxylase by the presence of butadiene, which converted to tyrosine. Previously we discussed. Then tyrosine, in presence of tyrosine transaminase and in presence of alpha ketoglutarate to glutamine, it produces para-hydroxyphenyl pyruvate. This para-hydroxyphenyl pyruvate to para-hydroxyphenyl pyruvate in presence of ascorbate, in presence of para-hydroxyphenyl deoxygenase, it produces a homogenticynate. This homogenticynate oxidase is converted to 4-malonyl acetoacetate. The 4-malonyl acetoacetate in presence of glutathione, malonyl acetate isomerase in formation of 4-fumaryl acetoacetate. This 4-fumaryl acetoacetate in presence of fumaryl acetoacetate hydrolase and converted one part is enzymatically which is called the fumarate and fumarate to glucose. That means protein which is converted into a glucose. Another part which is converted to acetoacetate in case of ketogenesis, this acetoacetate to acetyl CoA, then lipid. That means we convey the message. The protein which is converted to glucose, some part, and some part which is converted into lipid. That means in presence of, in requirement of the body or crisis of the body, the protein can convert it into glucose and protein can convert it into a lipid. That's why it is called glucogenic. Simultaneously it is called the ketogenic, which is earlier we are discussing. Another degradation process, phenylalanine to tyrosine, and the basic tyrosine and tyrosine to para-hydroxyphenyl pyruvate, homogenticin pyruvate, these are the compound. And in for the basis of this compound, generally different disorder will become. One is the phenylketonuria. The phenylketonuria, which is phenyl keto group or ketone, which is excreted through urine by the deficiency of the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. If tyrosine type 2 in the presence of deficiency of the tyrosine transaminase or neonatal tyrosinemia due to deficiency of deoxygenase or it does not produce the homogenticynate. Another is the alkaptonuria, which is the produced by the deficiency of homogenticynate oxidase for the formation of 4-malonyl acetoacetate. It produces alkaptonuria. Or tyrannosemia type 1 due to deficiency of the fumaryl acetohydrolase. It is a accumulate in the body of 4-fumaryl acetoacetate. That means it is inhibit the reaction of fumarate to acetoacetate. So there are the 4-5 types of disorder will come due to abnormal metabolism of phenylalanine to tyrosine. One is the phenylketonuria, generally common, tyrosinemia type 2, neonatal tyrosinemia, alkaptonuria, and tyrosine type 1. These are the abnormal metabolism of phenylalanine as well as the tyrosine. Another biologically important compound derived from the tyrosine. Tyrosine serves as the precursors molecule like catecholamine. So that means this compound contain catechol, dopamine, norepinephrine, epinephrine, thyroid hormone T3, T4, and melanin pigment. These are the biological compound which is synthesized from the tyrosine. First, the catecholamine. That means they contain some catechol groups, 2 hydroxyl group in the benzene ring. First one the epinephrine and another is the norepinephrine and the dopamine, which are collectively called the catecholamines, and they are synthesized from the tyrosine. Phenyl, epinephrine, norepinephrine are the produced by the adrenal medulla and serve as hormones, whereas the dopamine and norepinephrine produced in the CNS and prostaglandin sympathetic nerves acts as a neurotransmitter. In Parkinson's disease, dopamine is the level in the CNS are decreased because of the deficiency of cell that produce the dopamine. Tyrosine hydroxylase, synthesis of catecholamine. How to synthesis catecholamines? Tyrosine hydroxylase 3,4-dihydroxyphenylalanine, that means dopa dihydroxy dopa dihydroxyphenylalanine. Then dopa decarboxylase, it produces dopamine, and dopamine hydroxylase is produced norepinephrine, and norepinephrine phenylalanine N-methyl transferase which produce epinephrine. These are the very important for your exam. Actually, do you know it? This is very important mechanism of reaction. The tyrosine can produce the 3 catecholamine or 3 neurotransmitter as well as the hormones which acts as a hormone. This norepinephrine, dopamine which is control the Parkinson's regime, norepinephrine which is control the hypertension, and epinephrine which is control the heart rate. This last step of reaction which is most important, norepinephrine to nepinephrine in the presence of SAM, S-adenosyl methionine to S-adenosyl homocysteine. Here is the methyl donor. In case of methyl donor, only the difference between the norepinephrine to nephrine, only the methyl group, and this methyl is become from the SAM or S-methyl methionine to S-adenosyl homocysteine by the presence of methyl ethanamine N-methyl transferase. Function of catecholamine or role of catecholamines. Norepinephrine and epinephrine regulate the carbohydrate and lipid metabolism, also the hypertension and blood heart rate also. They stimulate the degradation of triglyceride and glycogen. They cause the increase the blood pressure. Dopamine and norepinephrine serve the neurotransmitter in the brain and autonomous nervous system and control the disease of Parkinsonism. Dopamine and Parkinsonism disorders. Parkinsonism disease is a common disorder in the mainly elderly people, with about 1% in the population above the age 60 years being affected. The characteristic of the Parkinsonism is the muscular rigidity, tremor, that means muscular rigidity, that means to move inability to movement of the muscle, tremor, that means khichuni, and expressionless face, their facing will be not express, and lethargy and involuntary movement, etc. These are the symptoms of Parkinsonism due to dopamine deficiency. And dopamine and Parkinsonism are biochemical basic. The exact biochemical cause of this disorder has not been identified. It is, however, linked with a decreased production of dopamine. The disease is due to degeneration of certain part of the brain, substantia nigra and locus corpus luteum, and leading the impairment of the synthesis of dopamine. How to treatment of the Parkinsonism? Treatment: dopamine cannot enter the brain, hence it administered is of no uses. Dopa, it is used in the treatment of Parkinson's disease, and the brain dopa is converted into dopamine, which is alleviate the symptom of Parkinson's disease. Unfortunately, dopamine synthesis occurs in the various other tissues and result in the side effects such as nausea, vomiting, and hypertension, etc. Also, administration of dopa analogous that inhibit the dopa decarboxylase and various tissues but not enter into the brain due to blood-brain barrier and are found in the effective. And carbidopa and methyl dopa are administered along with the dopa for the treatment of the Parkinson's for the better or synergistic effect of this treatment. Next, thyroid hormone from the tyrosine. The thyroglobulin which is present in the thyroid gland. The thyroglobulin which is present in the thyroglobulin along with the tyrosine residue to formation of triiodothyronine or T3. First of all, it produces monoiodotyrosine, then coupling with the monoiodotyrosine with diiodotyrosine, formation of triiodotyrosine, and another is the 2-diiodo or DIT, that means diiodotyrosine, which is coupled with the DIT, one DIT, another DIT to formation of triiodo or tetraiodothyroxine or thyroxine or tetraiodothyronine. The synthesis of T3 and T4, which is synthesized from the tyrosine. Then formation of melanin pigment for the skin, hair and nail. Tyrosine hydroxylase, formation of dopa. Then tyrosinase is called the dopaquinone, and spontaneously this dopaquinone which is converted into the leukodopachrome, and spontaneously 5,6-hydroxyindole. The enzyme tyrosinase indole 5,6-quinone to formation of black melanin. Another dopaquinone, in the presence of cysteine, the formation of dopachrome, they produce red melanin. After this black and red melanin, there is so many genes also responsible for the color of hair and nail. There is around 100 genes are responsible for the coloration of skin as well as the hair, and this is the process by which tyrosine is converted to black melanin or red melanin by the process dopaquinone. And in this process, to see this picture more, melanin, the color pigment, the skin color of the individual, and determined by the relative concentration of the black and red melanin. Actually, all this color will be produced by the mixture of black and red melanin. This is turned in the depend on the many factors, both genetic as well as the environmental factor also. These include the activity of the tyrosine melanocytes available on the tyrosine. Albinism, here is one of the most important disorder in this inborn error with a generalized lack of melanin synthesis. There is a white spot or white patch occur in the skin, generally in the face or in the eye. The white spot which will occur, that is called the albinism, due to melanin synthesis will not produce due to deficiency of melanin or disorder of tyrosine metabolism. So thank you for your patience listening this lecture. If you like it, please subscribe it. Another we convey the message. Today is the বাংলা নববর্ষ 1427। তো প্রত্যেক স্টুডেন্টকে আমার শুভ নববর্ষের প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা জানিয়ে আজকের এই ক্লাস আমরা এখানেই শেষ করেছি। থ্যাংক ইউ অল।